Okay, today we're going to be talking about Ceres and ice, and pretty much every single crater on Mars and any other world you want to mention. There's probably one here on our planet too. Now, looking at the pictures here, I have frozen water. I just left it outside, and as you can see, I've rotated the picture, took at least 4 or 5 pictures here and rotated it so you can see it from all sides. As you can see in the center there on the right hand side, that is a bulge. Top left picture, it's on the top. Bottom left picture, it's on the bottom. Bottom right, it's on the bottom. And that one in the top right there is a spicule that has come out. And that is literally at the top, in the middle, just slightly to the left on the picture in the middle. And you can see it also in the top left, directly at the top, a little touch of light there on its own. That is the spicule. That is energy leaving. Now, I have said in my Ceres video, which was created by an electrical strike, that energy came down, smashed into the ground, created an ouroborus torus field which shoots out to one side and then spins around in opposite directions, both sides, so that you would literally get an M shape coming from that center light in the center, which is a dome again. That's why it's caught the light, and it spills upwards and around like a half moon shape. I have said that when an electrical strike happens on another world, the atmosphere is instantly vaporized and everything freezes. So any kind of picture from Ceres or Mars, which doesn't have any atmosphere anymore, pretty much. I think Mars is 0.1% of our whole atmosphere, so there's literally nothing there. And basically, energy when leaving, so energy came into Ceres, blasted it, and then retracted. And when it retracts, it leaves this mark, because this is energy leaving a heat source. And so it must come out, spill over to one side, cross itself in a halo wave, and then roll around to each side. So now that I've said that, let's have a look at Mars and Ceres. Now, this is my video called Double Helix Energy Strikes and Craters on All Worlds, and here we see my double helix Lorentz force halo wave jumping out from the center, going upwards and then spinning round to the bottom. And as you can see on the right, I have many examples from many different worlds of what you see in that ice bucket there is exactly what is happening in those pictures. In the center there is a lump. We can see the lump in the middle of mine due to the light catching it. The light is catching all the raised edges. So in this big picture here, you can see one in every point, and on the outskirts of them, there's one there right in red, which shows it going round the outside. And as you can see by my ice, it's doing the same thing. So now I'm just Googled Mars, so we're just going to go around here, and you will see exactly that kind of same shape in many of the craters. There's one with a lump in the middle, and at the bottom there you've got a raised edge. There, the light green is the raised edge. There's a spot in the middle and the raised edge. You can go to any planet in the solar system, including Earth, and you will find this exact same pattern. Piece in the middle going to a halo wave. So all of these are exactly what's going on in that frozen water, because energy travels the same in everything it is in. All of these are energy retracting and pulling matter up. So what you are seeing is my theory in action. Energy moves matter, and when energy comes out of something after being injected with something, it forms a halo wave with a lump in the center that leads to the halo wave horseshoe, because that is the rotation of energy, and so it builds a lump. And that's about it. So that's all craters, all energy traveling the same way. Energy in pushes down, energy retraction lifts up. So energy going in immediately from this ice overnight tried to leave, and it reached the inertial plane, which was the surface. And once it does that, it must roll out to the side and roll past each other into a halo wave. This is what happens with steam, with boiling water. That's the steam ring on the edge of your pan, except this is solid because the matter has frozen the energy shape. So there we go. energy moves matter, and energy and matter are separate. And that is how a halo wave works. Thanks very much. My name is Lee, and I follow the Christ Jesus and his teachings and his commandments. And he showed me all this in visions, and I've put it to every single thing in the universe. Nobody's theory is like mine. Thanks very much. My name is Lee, and I'm done here.